part 3, y'all. Okay, now we're gonna show you some more horses, cows, maybe buffalo. We do have buffalo here. This morning, there was cows all over here, but now there's nothing. They might have gone, that way, but like, I don't want to go all that way. So, okay, so like maybe, no cows. I'm sorry, y'all. Like, I didn't promise y'all. Sorry if the quality is terrible. I have no Wi-Fi here, and yeah, literally in the middle of nowhere.
And also, we could probably show you your cows later in our 2x2, 1x1, whatever it's called.
He doesn't know any video stuff. You found a bone? Here's the bone. It's not to a horse. It's just to an animal. We find multiple bones here. Another cat. I don't know if y'all can see it. Okay, y'all, so I don't know if we can come in here, but like, yeah, we can, I guess. But here's all the horses. They're super nice, I think. It's one horse. I've never met these horses before. I was nice. No? Okay. This one's so fluffy. So soft. Wrinkle nose. Look at it. Look at the fur. Hi. You want pets? No? Okay. Rachel said these just have dresses. It's coats. A horse is coming up to us. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Look how cute. There's some horses over here. I'm really excited to go to the black one. Hi. Hi, do you want pets? Hi. Hi. You're an old one, huh? You're so small. I love you. Hi. Super nice. Come back for part 5 or 4. I kind of forgot. Bye.